Check it out, guys. Agaron for the first time ever in the Waray speaking region. Agaron gang in Tacloban. 3 of us, kompleto kami. We did our show with Moderno clothing. I just want to show you guys what happened over the weekend in Tacloban. So first day, we did the Agaron gig, which was crazy. We had a basketball thing the day after with Crystol. It's a Region 808 event. That was crazy too. And we had a music video the third day. So yeah. Alright, check it out, guys. We got a battle in the background. We got Nod versus, what's his name? Basta, we're at the Region 808 event. Team Asenso versus Halarong. We got a battle rap going on in the background. It's getting intense right now. Shit is crazy. This is a free event. We're having fun.
Anpakal State, puros ito champion. Tapos yan puros dab ko na itlawas. Yaway trend tag, magurupod nga ni bagan mga rugby boy nga nagbabaraktas. Well, the motherfucking talk. Ano yung skill sa rap, nag-improve na pero iyo baho waray pa. Pagpiyonghan mata, nagmata hainop. Yeah. Title pala, nadamon at mararaksutan. Kundi lang yung nagtuka, kulab ya idol denial, tatama yung kuman. Putat nagmata hainop. Ganalo team tripping toy. Hasobra kawak mo mag-title, pati Crystol na kaya kan hinbrat ka team Eroy.
The reason why we're here is this motherfucker came from Norway on vacation. Crystol, na taga bye-bye pero taga Norway. He made a lot of beats for us. He made beats for all the performers like from Tacloban.
Asya, umuli kami para laiya.
Oh. That's what's up. Region 808. Big boss. Ano yung kakantahan niyan? I don't know. Bugulog bit. Salamat ang good game. Syempre, we had a very good game. I'm not gonna reveal what happened, like who's the winner, because it was magtatampo. It's rigged. It was rigged. It's rigged. Ako dinalar si Upod Kuhi. Upod di kulot. Ma-perform ako yan ng gabi. 3 song. Ang nahatag para kontak siya. Natuto karon ako was ako. Iti kadua. Falling case yung anti katulo. What you talking about? Unta magusto ni Niyo. Pow pow. Musta game? Barasketball. Ganadon mulay. Ganadon mulay. Daw mo team points ka, daw mo team points. Daw points. Orelay scorer. MVP. Damong points, kulang ni scorer. Ay nako. Less cartel, Region 808. Oh, okay. Tapos na ang mulay namon, Team Halarong nagdaog. Daog kami. I think it's 60-48 itong score. Magtitikang na mga performance. Kami siyang nga performer, kami ni Ditski. Tapos I think it's gonna be Ella. Upod ko yun ay Hidedki. Sa idol nga rapper na Pilipinas. First of all, my first question is, how does it feel to lose the game, bro? What the fuck?
What the fuck you talking about, bro? I gave you the ball, I made you win. You should thank me.
I actually got on. He fell down, he got the ball, he just gave it to me and I shot the ball. That's my only 2 points this whole game, bro.
I thought it was a 3.
Maybe. Yeah, let's call it a 3. Anyways, ano team kakantahan niyan? Tapos sino team Upod?
Direk maram ko na tam kakantaon, basta makanta kami ni Binaya.
Diri maaram. Pero maaram ako. We're gonna do a short version of Kalayo. Pag-ako, ayaw mo kalayo na magugnaw ka pa so. Yeah, we're gonna do local and untouchable. We did untouchable at the club last night. Unexpectedly,
I was talking to the DJ, tapos yung pakita ko ay akong USB. Tapos ringing niya, oh, you wanna perform? Fuck yeah! So that's what we did.
That's what happened.
Oh, you didn't know that, yeah.
Nope.
That's how
I
you-
just got handed the mic and then we went on stage, bro.
Ay pagdarani, pagkapatig na sa dangin, gawas tumatid tumaligtas. Animal! Pinahigdak ng palabang! Animal! Salamat! Agaron kang Waray, Waray, Waray! It is one of our best!
Patungan pa ka sa nagsinuritan, natukan ng mga kapuritan, bilang lang ayawa, katungan pa nga o di Maria asawa, nagdadamo na awa, mga kinuhakan na ako, nagilera tayo, rinera klase, ipadir, sa legis mo ay nasa pin.
Upod ko na mga tropa, taga baybay ba ka mga?
Baybay, Vincent.
Ormoc, taga Ormoc kaya, ay, G, taga Ormoc. Tapos, anong ngara ng mga banda, mga grupo?
Local season.
Yeah, local season.
The choice.
Ay, ito sa.
Bay City.
Yo, Chu, Batang Tinago, local season. Yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, local season. Laloy say, what's up?
Jasper, the choice, yes, I.
Kent, the choice. Yeah. Bay City. Ralph, the choice.
Legit, aka Mr. Swabby from No Crowd, okay?
Feeling Travis of the highest in our room. Walk up and look at my son of stone.
Greek Mob, Spitfire, local season. Black City, what's up?
Cow Jim so lifted eyes, so addictive, yeah. Right in my room, yeah, where I head it down. Maraming lang sa akong ngabil ang imong kainit, yeah. Sang ko sa langit ang imo kalamig, kabalibadog ikaw na ang buhaga.
Gab, the choice, local season.
Yes, CEO of local season.
Superja, local season. Bay City. Yo, so that's what's happening right now. What we're trying to do, unite the forces, the places. You know, we got Tacloban in the house. Me, I'm from Samar. Siyempre, bye-bye. Ngan, Ormoc. Nagmulay kami yung basketball kanina. Marisyo. Abangan namin ng mga kanta nila. And hope to see you guys in bye-bye and in Ormoc. We make this shit happen. That's what's up. Regionate away.
Dali masumunag at tatabutan ang iba mo mga pagkabuwasan. Wakay na dusuwa at kaubayan.
Alay pagkakita
bukas may MV shoot kami. It's me, Crystol. Abangan na lang, abangan.
Here at the downtown Tacloban. Tatun shootin na yan na anong version? Ito ini? Airbnb version.